Yes. My gosh. I'm dead. Jumanji. Yeah, I give that. Because.
No, it's not. It ain't easy.
That's funny.
The man have to make sure say when we go if he sneak out somebody.
Sneak out, should we gonna have round 3? Because.
Like, that was quite obvious.
I hope it was worth it. Somebody worth it.
I don't know, man. Makes very questionable choices.
I remember it would have been nice to use that.
Hmm?
To use that.
I would never touch anyone without that contact.
Must have people in my life.
Oh. He's on that.
Frostbox! Why I deal with Bro G? Why are the family there touch out on the road, you know? Yes, his first name there.
That's his real name?
Yeah.
This is
Calvin. It's not Kevin, it's Calvin.
Room in the head, bro.
what did he say after? See, I don't know.
Yo, the heat's booming. Turn that down.
Mad dog, where the pan?